Inflation is a challenge many of us are facing, and it's not going away anytime soon. With the Consumer Price Index showing a rise of 2.6% over the past year and core inflation at 3.3%, it's clear that we need to think creatively about boosting our income. Here are 3 side hustles that can help you beat inflation in 2024. First up is content marketing and content creation. The industry is booming, projected to reach over $107 billion by 2026. If you have skills in video editing, graphic design, or freelance writing, there's a demand for your talents. Companies are constantly looking for fresh content to engage their audiences. By promoting your services on platforms like LinkedIn, you can showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. Consider utilizing job boards like FlexJobs and ProBlogger, as well as gig marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr to get your name out there. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. With the increasing demand for skills in coding, AI, and design, many professionals are eager to learn. If you have knowledge in these areas, why not share it? You can create a course for passive income or offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. This dual approach allows you to cater to different learning styles while maximizing your earning potential. Finally, flipping items can be a lucrative side hustle. By sourcing quality products from places like eBay, garage sales, or wholesale websites, you can resell them for a profit. The key is to stay informed about trending items and understand where to find them at a low cost. A little creativity in improving the quality of these products can significantly increase their resale value. These side hustles not only help combat inflation, but also empower you to leverage your skills and creativity.